Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Broke Bully Destroys Smoke Shop When He Can't Afford Vape. Come on, man. My guy's broke.
Get on the ground, bro. You're under arrest. Get on the ground, you're under arrest.
On April 19th, police responded to a smoke shop after a customer started destroying merchandise and tried to set the place on fire.
Is anyone else in there?
Yes, very ignite with the light. He's throwing everything on the floor, see.
Yo! Police, what are you doing? Come here, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
My teddy bear.
Get on the ground.
My teddy bear.
You're under arrest. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground, bro.
Get on the ground. Don't walk near me. Get on the ground.
You're under arrest.
Get on the ground. You're under arrest.
What's up?
Get on the ground. You thought this was? Damn, that place is destroyed.
Sorry, bro.
No, you're good.
Hope they got insurance.
Oh, yeah. Obviously. Yo, what's up, man? Yeah.
All right, roll over. Kick your feet up. What's your name?
Kalilu.
Khalik?
Kalilu.
Kalilu?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have anything on you that's gonna hurt me?
No.
Any weapons?
No.
Needles? Okay. Did you take anything today?
Yeah, I smoke weed.
You smoked weed? Okay. Have you ever had a weird reaction to weed?
Yeah, I had a gun before.
You had a gun?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's not here. I have it. Okay. You can strip me if you want.
All right. Stand up. Hold on. I'm gonna double lock these, Drew.
Yo, I just got bagged.
It's the worst.
I needed a vape.
All right, stand in front of my car. We're gonna finish searching you, okay? Kalilu, spread your feet real wide for me.
Pepper spray, man.
Sorry, brother.
That shit's pretty good though.
It didn't have that much of an effect on you right now. You good?
All right, keep your feet spread for me, all right?
There's adrenaline. Yeah. Once that adrenaline goes down, spread your legs a little bit, bro. A little bit more. Relax.
I don't feel like running though.
Nah, definitely don't run. All right, come over here.
Hold on.
Have a seat in the back of my car for a minute, all right? Don't spit in my car. I know, I'm just telling them. Once you're in there, don't spit, all right? You all right? You all right? Here, turn around and sit with your feet out. Turn around. Now just sit. Just sit, not all the way in. Just sit right there, okay?
Oh, shit.
All right, watch your head. All right, just stay like that for a minute so you get some air, okay?
Yeah, he not wrapped too tight, man. You could see it in his face. Something definitely off. I don't know if he's normally like this, but all of this because of a vape got you strung out like this? Nah, there's more to the story than that.
Yeah, we're good, man.
Dragging me down. I was actually like a traffic
Oh, okay.
robbery. So.
All right. Yeah, no, we're good. Thanks, bro.
You guys smoke vapes? I don't smoke vapes no more. I smoke Black and Miles.
Wrong place, right time, I guess.
Like it. Wow.
That was like a perfect shot.
Damn, it
Yeah,
look like
well.
that shit on my face too, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna go get you washed up, all right?
We have to.
I shouldn't have smoked weed.
What's that?
I shouldn't have smoked weed.
No, whatever you
Yeah,
smoke,
whatever you
bro,
smoked,
must
man. You
have
might have had some
strong
K2
stuff.
in it or something.
Yeah.
Something. Do you remember what happened?
No.
No?
Blacked out.
Yeah. All right, here, come with me. You're gonna get in this officer's car. We're gonna take you inside to our headquarters. We got an eye wash station. We're gonna wash your eyes out real good.
Good.
Well, you're gonna start feeling
I
it
start feeling a little more.
once the weed wears off and your adrenaline comes down.
You searching?
Yeah, we did.
Now, if he smoked K2, now, okay, I could see him acting like that, you know, because different types of K2 have you acting differently. A lot of the time, you know, when that first hit the scene, man, inmates would smoke that stuff or whatever, and especially because you couldn't test for it and stuff. man, they would be so violent. They would get so violent. Like, it was just insane. Insane when they strung out on that K2. But not all the time is it like that. Sometimes you got guys that are more mellow and just tweaking out, but they're like more mellow, like, you know, like kind of like this guy. This guy, he's not like aggressive to me. You know, well, at least not with the officers, but he's more mellow, you know.
Yeah. You still do it anyway.
Feel free to do it again.
Yeah.
I'm working here, so you want me to?
Sounds good, man. Come on in. Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
He didn't hurt anybody?
Nah. Okay. He's just be arguing with me continuously.
Is this mine or yours?
Mine's here.
I got mine.
It's not harmful.
Oh, that's
Just
my MacBook.
Leave the door propped and maybe turn a fan on if you have one.
Just give.
I have an AC. I will turn off that.
Yeah, that's fine. Just give us a running total of how much damage.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Check out that over there.
All the way in the back.
Yeah, go check that out.
And I'm assuming all your cameras work?
Yeah.
So we'll be able to get a copy of the whole video? Okay. All right, so this officer is going to go through everything with you. We're going to need a running total of the damage. I mean, I'm sure it's going to be several $1,000s. Just the MacBook alone is what? How much? $1,500, right? Plus all your product that you're out of now, your stands, your glass. Let's start with whose shop is it? Okay. Can you give him his information, and then we'll get your guys' information, and then maybe we can call. It smells like the boardwalk.
Just a little sting. Dude, I've been ripping cayenne pepper,
Oh yeah.
so it's kind of like just giving me that extra, you know, like, yeah. This part right here.
What was he trying to light on fire?
Yeah, what was he doing?
Yo. Let him get the info.
I called you guys at 3:05, right? And he came in around 2:50, 2:45.
Okay.
And then he came in and he started asking for vape, right? The clear ice. Then I was like, you got money? I'll give it to you. And he was like, I don't have money right now. Once I get it, I'll give it to you. Just give me the vape. I was like, sorry, I cannot give it to you right now. So just get the money, I'll give it to you. Then he started arguing with me, and I told him, just leave, otherwise I'll call cops. He was arguing like continuously. So then he sat on the counter, and he was grabbing a cookie packet, and he was leaving. And I was like, stop! You cannot leave without paying. And then,
You know what's crazy is we had something like this a couple of years ago at the bodega on the corner of Lawn Park.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And I was just thinking about that the other day. I was like, man, that was crazy. That lady was like off her rocker. She destroyed the bodega. And then look.
I don't know if you had a weapon or not. I was like, I ain't taking the chance because he kept going, you know, my teddy bear. I'm like, yeah, okay.
I hear you.
And then we get lit up. I'm like, nah, I'm not playing that game. It's good. Adrian or Huber was out there, the Hamilton guy.
Yeah, that was good. I thought maybe they were getting calls too, like it was bouncing.
Yeah, I think someone said there was a robbery.
But he said the owner flagged them down at the intersection about a robbery.
Hey, go ahead.
He must have pulled these off the top shelf.
that was from here. That was the biggest bong, and it was here.
Okay.
You broke that one, and
That
I
must
think
be the
so
big
one-
boss.
That's the hookah.
Okay, that was on top.
Yeah.
Where'd the laptop come from?
That's my laptop was over here.
Okay.
I think so he carried it and
Because that's what he was, when I walked in, he was stomping on it.
so that's mine.
Okay.
And I was on call with my friends, so they must have recorded it.
Are we able to get can you download the video?
Yeah, we could, but
Can we do that?
yeah, I can. I don't have password in there.
There's an SD card right there. Is that yours? Is that your guys? Did that come out of your computer?
Yeah, that's mine. That's from my
Okay.
computer too.
Just making sure, because we want to make sure. Yeah. Yeah, the camera.
Yeah,
would be
we have
awesome.
it.
Yeah, that'll be good for court, along with our pictures, to have a copy of everything.
When he came in, was he acting strange or?
He used to come before, but like
Oh, he was a customer.
not regular customer,
Right.
but once in a month or twice in a month he used to come in.
Yeah.
He used to have money, right?
Okay.
Then I used to give him things, but now today he came in and he was like, "Just give it to me. Just give it to me. I don't have money. I'll give it to you later." And I was like, "Just get the money. I'll give it to you." And he even told me like, if you don't give it to me, there is a word that starts from K and ends with L.
Oh, okay.
Before that I told him, if you don't leave, I'll just call cops.
Right.
Stop arguing, right? And he was like, just don't call them, just give it to me, I'll leave. And I was like, I cannot give it without money. And
Right.
then he said that.
He wanted the product. He didn't want the money, right?
He won the product, yeah.
And he just wanted a vape?
Yeah.
That's initially what he came in for?
Yeah.
A vape?
And then he sat over here, and then he turned around and came in there. And then
He jumped in the back.
Yeah, then that's when I left the store.
Yeah, at that point he jumped back there to take the vape.
Yeah. Right.
So yeah.
That's a robbery.
Yeah, it should be a robbery. Just try not to move anything until we photograph everything, okay?
Yeah, we're
Yo.
Arson, public intoxication?
No, I don't think we have an arson. We're still kicking. It sounds like it's gonna be a robbery. Because he was saying, like, give me just leave that blank for now.
Okay.
No arson, I don't think. Definitely the criminal mischief under the influence. But for the purposes of this,
Yeah.
just leave it as criminal mischief right now.
Okay.
So what we're toying around with, so under the influence, because he said he smoked weed,
Okay.
which was probably laced or synthetic or some crazy shit.
Okay.
The robbery, because he said, give me the vape. He's like, give me a vape or I'll kill you.
Oh, he
and
didn't
then
tell me that.
when
Alright.
the dude was like, no, he jumped behind the counter and started taking the vape and then destroying all the property.
Okay.
The suspect was arrested for criminal damage to property, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and shoplifting. Leave a like if you...
There's a few marbles short, man. That don't make no sense. Someone like this needs to be locked up or in a mental hospital or whatever. He needs to be not in public, okay? Not with the general public. He is a liability. Everybody is either an asset or a liability, and this guy is a liability, man.